Alright guys, so basically I was just in a call with one of our elite students inside the consulting, and basically we was mapping the markets together, literally doing the review of the markets. I was just in a one-on-one call with him, and basically I was just guiding him through the gameplay of the consulting. So basically we mapped all the mistakes he was doing, all the weakest points, and give the gameplay for him. So just implement and take action now. So literally what keep he already is doing good to keep doing the things you need to implement to get better results, improve him as a trader. And after that, just did the market review, and then look at this, man. That's the basically I'm with the markets open right here, and let me explain what's going on, what I'm seeing in the markets, so you can guys understand what I'm seeing in the markets as well, and you can benefit for this and understand my vision and why I'm seeing these things and why I'm taking these decisions. So basically, markets just grab this big liquidity on the daily time frame. As you can see right here, guys, this big liquidity you had in the daily time frame, markets just grab it, as you can see right here. And now, what I'm expecting, guys, I'm just looking for buy entries for now. Why? Because you have these movements already happen. You have all these movements, all this sell-off on gold, and it's natural to have a correction. What I mean by correction, guys, the markets never fall like this, never moving in that way. The markets always going their way. Of course, it's never going just that way. The markets need to correct the movements. Come in that way. So look what's happened here. You just look in the data, look what's happened in the past. That's how you become better as a trader. Looking what's already happened in the past and look what's gonna happen now. So as you can see right here, that's in the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours, the time frame I love the most, as you can have more data and more precision. Basically, guys, look at these movements. And these movements is so similar to these movements right here. As you can see. So these movements right here is so similar with these movements right here. So what's this have in common? You see all this consolidation right here. And then what happened after this sell off. This selling movements, this selling pressure after this consolidation. Same thing here. Consolidation, selling pressure, sell movements. And look this, the market's just selling straight selling, and then what's happened? The market's needs a correction. So the market was straight falling, and then what's happened? A correction. You see? So basically, what markets did was consolidation, straight sell movements, and then a correction happened. Same thing here. Markets was consolidation. You have all these, like downtrends movements, as you can see, with lower lows, lower highs, and then the markets, coming in this. Lower lows, lower highs, downtrends movements. As you can see, the markets are in a bearish trend. And then what just happened? Markets just grab the liquidity on the daily time frame. As you can see right here, markets just grab this liquidity, and now we have this 4 hours candle, this 4 hours bull candle coming. So what I'm expecting, guys, as you can see here in the data, what's happened before. Just look at the past, it's already happened. They have this consolidation before, this straight sell off, and then a correction. Same thing here, consolidation, as you can see, and then what you have here. So let me just delete this and put another one. So after this consolidation, what's happening here? This sell off. So you see, it's very similar. Consolidation, sell off, straight movements. Consolidation, sell off, straight movements. Already grab the liquidity. I'm not looking for sell anymore. Why? Because the movements already happened. It's so like straight, guys. This is like unhealthy, for the markets. All the sell movements. This needs a correction. What I mean a correction, guys? A correction I mean like that. Markets recover like this. So if the markets keep falling, it's unhealthy. So if I'm putting myself in a position to take a sell entry in these market conditions, that's, guys, not gonna work. Because if you see the markets right now looking that way and you're still looking for sell entry, you're probably entering a sell late. You're probably just becoming exit liquidity for the hedge funds. So basically, what's I'm seeing right now? Markets grab the liquidity. We already have these movements, and what's happened after here? You just look at the data. What's happened after here? As you can see, this correction. Yeah, so that's exactly what I'm expecting from now. You have all this consolidation, literally, it's way similar to what's happened here before. Consolidation, straight sell off. Consolidation, straight sell off. Grab the liquidity already on the daily time frame, and the movement is already unhealthy for keep selling. Yeah, so what I'm expecting for now, this correction right here. So that's exactly what I'm seeing. Yeah, so I'm expecting markets coming to at least this area. Yeah, so let me put this here, as you can guys see better. So what I'm expecting, markets coming to this price right here. So now what I'm expecting, guys, simple, yeah, literally, like here, now a correction, yeah, markets coming to this area, because that's what markets do. That's the health movements. Yeah, it's unhealthy to keeping selling, to keeping sell off. So if I try to get in a trade selling because you're seeing all these selling movements, the movements already happened. Yeah, already grab the liquidity on the daily time frame. What you need to understand is look at the data, what's happened before, like this, you can see like almost the similar movements. Consolidation, straight sell off, and now correction. Same thing here. Yeah, consolidation, straight sell off, grab the liquidity, now correction. So I'm just looking for buy entries for myself. Probably what's the movement's gonna happen, it's probably can happen this next week. Yeah, so until Friday for the next week, probably these movements can already happen. So it's like, yeah, swing trades and not a day trades and not a scalping. You're doing one day because this is the 4-hour time frame. So what I'm expecting, I'm literally expecting the markets now do this correction of the movements. Yeah, like price coming, yeah, builds up all the way here. And now what I'll be looking for, buy entries to catch these movements, yeah, to catch this buy entry, to catch this correction, because it's very similar to what's happened before. Very, very similar. You can see right here, it's very similar. Just see the both, yeah. Consolidation, consolidation, sell straight, grab the liquidity, and now we need to have this correction of the movements, yeah, and that's exactly what I'm expecting. So I'm not gonna sell anymore. I'm just looking for buy entries, and that's the take profits I'm looking for, coming to at least this area, or even, yeah, markets coming to this area as well. But guys, why? Yeah, why I will have this greedy if I can take profits right here, make a good money as well? Because if I take this buy entry, close it here, I'm already, I'm already making good money. So I don't have any reasons to like try to hold this trader for longer until here, because of course that's a big movement, it needs to be a big reason and a big volatility behind that, and it's unhealthy for the market as well. So yeah, you can hold until there, it can happen, yeah, it can, but yeah, I'll be holding until here and closing my take profits here. So I'll be looking for this buy entry. Yeah, I'm looking for this buy entry now, not selling anymore. And what I saw right now, and why I put this alerts right here, as you can see guys, I put 3 alerts, and that's how it works. Yeah, I wake up, see the markets, see what's going on, identify my interested areas, put the alerts. The alerts is literally the price and the place that I see, oh, this is an interested area. If the market achieve this area, is something important is gonna happen. Yeah, is an interested area for me executing. And I have a project list. So every time before I take a trade, I ask 3 questions for myself. I'm following the trend. The buy entry I'm gonna take, the market is already in an uptrend, is already structured to a buy entry, or is still in a bearish momentum, in a downtrend, and I'm going against the trend. If the answer is no, I don't take a trade. Stop looking at the trades right there. If the answer is yes, okay, I go to the second question, which is the markets are in my interested area, the markets are in my alert. I just taking a trade if the market achieve one of these alerts. I just taking a trade if the market achieve this alert, or this alert right here. If the markets are in the area that are not my alerts, I'm not taking a trade. Why? Because if my alerts are put in the interested area, what's the reason for myself take a trade in the area I already identify is not a good area for myself? Yeah, I don't have any reasons for that. So in that way, I remove my emotional decisions. So I'm following the trends, the markets are in my alert area. If these 2 questions is yes, I go to the third one, which is have the confirmations to enter a trade, following the trend in my alert area, and now I have the confirmation. 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes time frame. That's all you need. Yeah, have the confirmation, enter a trade without hesitate, just execute, push the trigger. Yeah, and I'll be looking for my entries, and any entry I take, my take profits is gonna be right here in this area. Yeah. 4,363, as you can see, that's going to be my take profits. Why I'm not selling? Because this movement is unhealthy. The movements are already happening. The markets can keep falling down. It can, yeah. It can be just a pull back right here, and yeah, form a new lower low and keep falling. But as you can see, guys, this is the 4 hours. If you go to the daily, you see this is already big movements. So it's unhealthy for the market to keep falling. That can happen. It can need to have a big volatility, a big reason behind that to happen, but it can happen. The market can do whatever he wants. That's the thing we need to understand, guys. You can't try to force trades. Yeah, the market's gonna move the way he's gonna move. Your job as a trader is to react in the market in the best way. So the market can happen. This can happen. I'm gonna take this self happen? Of course not. Why? Because the market is unhealthy. The market is already happy the movements. Yeah. So if your market break this alert right here, markets can come grab this, another liquidity. So that's the 4 hours, by the way. That one, yeah, or even that one. But that's, guys, almost impossible probability to happen now. Yeah, so that can happen. Can happen. Markets can bring that one, and yeah, come building up during this correction, can happen, or can break out and grab this one, can happen, of course. And if this happen, I'm not selling, I'm just looking for buy entries, just wait for the confirmation, wait for the market to build, you know, slowly up in an uptrend. And once I have the confirmation, I'm taking a trade with my take profits right here. To be honest, I think the market is already gonna build up right here. That's why I put in my alerts here. So what I'm expecting now, yeah, market needs to push this candle up, and then yeah, a high low, and then a new high. Let me draw here, it's better for you. So now, yeah, market is built up this candle, and it's the market giving me this high low, and now building high, you know, like breaking the previous high. Yeah, giving me a new higher, and then I can enter in a buy entry here, or wait for a high low to enter another buy entry and surf all this momentum. Yeah, until my take profits right here. So that's exactly what I'm looking, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm looking for market giving me this bull candle, then a high low, and then a high breaking the previous high, and now I have the uptrend confirmation, and then I take my buy entry with my take profits right here. By the way, guys, that's a trade, you know, I can take like next week, and this can just happen and 2 weeks from now, or at the end of the next week. Yeah, but that's an accurate trade. It's way better for you understand and see the markets in the past, what's already happened, seeing the markets in the higher time frame, the clear movements, yeah, the clear charts. It's way better than go to the 5 minutes time frame and just trade in the noisy. Yeah, guys, here in the lower time frame, 5 minutes, you have like 5-6 change of directions in one day. That's crazy. How can you have clear buys if you trade in the lower time frame in the 1 minute, see, you know, markets break out a downtrends and become an uptrend, and they become a downtrend again. You just trade a bunch of noise. How cut out the analysis and clear and trade clear? Yeah, go to the high time frame, go to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, so guys, that's basically what I'm saying for now. That's a short video just because I wanna share my thoughts. I was already in a call with a one-on-one lead students here, and just want to, you know, enjoy the momentum to keep here and recorded this YouTube video, just explain and tell exactly what I'm seeing from the markets from now. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the markets just build up onto this liquidity area right here. Yeah, doing this correction of the movements that's already happened in the past. So just see what's already happened in the past and just see what can happen now. Yeah, and that's exactly literally the same movements. I already grabbed the liquidity on the daily time frame. I was literally 2 weeks from now waiting for the market to grab this liquidity. Already happened. I already take it a sell entry, by the way. Yeah, I already take a sell entry right here. And guys, this entry was insane. Yeah, this entry was insane. Yeah, basically I take this sell entry right here, and now I'm just waiting for the market to build up to this area right here. Yeah, literally similar movements like this. We have consolidation, market straight falling down, and now yeah, correction like this. Yeah, and I'm just waiting for the market to give me the confirmation for uptrend, basically confirmation that's not gonna like keep falling and form a new lower low. Once I have this confirmation of uptrend, I'll be taking buy entries, and all my take profits are gonna be in this area right here. That's what I'm gonna see. Yeah, if you agree with me, just share in the comments. If you don't agree with me, if you not agree with me, just share in the comments as well why. And yeah, guys, let's keep going. Let's keep making money from the markets. Let's keep improving the way you see the charts. Let's make it simple. That's the thing. Like I pray the most. The more simple can make it better, guys. I can use 100 indicators here. Yeah, but you see, just lines, rectangles, and alerts. Just this. It's all you need. Yeah. Because once you have a clear system, a clear vision in the markets, you perform way better. You have like less reason to exit into the markets. You have a clear checklist before. So before taking a trade, you ask at least these 3 questions for yourself, these 3 questions framework. By the way, I have another YouTube video talking about this, as you can see, yeah, in my YouTube channel. And basically, it's the trades you're taking. I follow the trends, following the bias. If I take a buy entry, you're following the uptrends. If I take a sell entry, you're following the downtrends. If the answer is no, you stop right there. Yeah. If the answer is yes, don't take a trade. Go to another question. Your trade is in your alerts area, is in your area of interest. If the answer is yes, okay, go to another question and then wait for the confirmation. Boom, confirmation, enter the trade without hesitating. If one of them are missing, you don't take the trade. Simple as that. But as you can see right here, guys, it's clear. Yeah. Now it's unhealthy, the sell movements. If I want to take more sell entry, it's unhealthy. I'm just waiting now for the market to build this up right here. Yeah, doing this correction of the movements. It can happen until here, so yeah, that's why I'm putting my take profits here. It's a good take profits. I can even, long until here, but of course, I'm trying too much. Yeah, I'm going greedy. So why? I'm just put it here because I'm not wanna be greedy. Yeah, I don't wanna just hold the trading, think it's gonna go up forever, and then the market just come against me and close my trading break even, or close my trading in just my stop loss guarantee profits. I'm gonna close these trades and take profit. So I put it here, I'll close if I read a good amount of money, and that's enough for me. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm seeing in the market, guys. Short video just for you to understand what I'm seeing, and yeah, how I see the market and how we can use the past to use for the present as well. Yeah, from now. So yeah, let's wait now, Mark, to give you the confirmation for us. In this moment, today is Thursday for me, so almost the end of the week. So probably we can't we're not gonna have this much movements now because I already have all these unhealthy movements. But for the next week, probably that's what's gonna happen all the next week. Yeah, so the next week probably the market's gonna be in an uptrend, and probably doing all this correction of the movements right here, and after that can keep falling. Of course it can, yeah, but what I'm seeing here is it's gonna stop to going down. No, the market can keep going down. Yeah, it can go to this area 3,800. It can happen, but not now, not in this way, just going straight down. Yeah, it's unhealthy for the market. Market needs to do a correction of the movement. So market can correction until here, and then retracement, and now just lower low, and then pick it up this area. It can happen, of course, but it's unhealthy for the market to do this now. Yeah, it's unhealthy for the market to go straight down like this. Needs to do this correction, and that correction is exactly what I'm looking to trading. And as you can see, it's exactly what's happening here. Yeah, imagine if you was literally here, try to trick this sell until here. Yeah, probably you take a loss. Of course. What's happened? Market correction, all these movements, and then keep building down in the way he did it. And that's exactly what can happen here. Yeah, building down and now correction, and now then can keep falling onto this area. It can happen. Yeah, and I think it will happen. But for now, I'm looking to take buy entries onto this correction. Yeah, so that's how you make money in the market, guys. That's how you prevent yourself to do over trading. That's how you remove emotional decisions and just see what's happening, see what's gonna happen, and just trading the momentum. Yeah. This video is here. If you want to follow me on other social medias, Instagram, if you want to join my Telegram group, it's on the description below. And of course, if you want to apply for the one leads consulting as well, it's on the description below. But yeah, this video is out, guys. See you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.